कि एक पॉइंट ऑब्जेक्ट ओ है इज प्लेस्ड एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 62 सेंटीमीटर, ठीक है, वो 62 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस पे प्लेस्ड है in front of a basically a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter, a glass slab of refractive index mu is equal to 3 by 2 and thickness 6 centimeter is inserted between the object and the mirror. Let's define the final images formed after the light originated from O passes through the slab, gets reflected from the mirror, and then again passes through the slab. At what distance d from the mirror, the face AB of the slab can be placed so that the uh, final image is formed inside the slab itself. Okay, so that's the question we have right now, and so let's start solving the question. Okay, so basically, um, in case of
This
solving
question.
such a question, we need to use the concept step by step. We need to solve that. First of all, we'll calculate the shift, okay, due to slab. So what is the shift because of the slab? That is t 1 minus 1 by mu. T's thickness, that is 6 as given in the question itself. 1 minus 1 by mu is 3 by 2. So that's coming out to be 6 times 1 by 3. That is 2 centimeter is the shift we are getting. Now we have calculated successfully the value of shift. U is given as basically it's 62. So U is given as minus of 62 centimeter and okay, 62 minus 2. Why minus 2? Because there is a shift of 2, so this become minus 60 centimeter actually. Okay, and focal length is minus 20, so we can calculate the v is equal to uf upon u minus f. U is minus 60 into minus 20 divided by minus 60 plus 20, so this coming out to be 60 times 20 by minus 40. 20 twos are 230s are, so v is coming out as minus 30 centimeter. Okay, so now we have successfully calculated the value of velocity, that is minus 30 centimeter. Okay, now let's proceed further. After refraction from the slab, actual distance is 32 centimeter. Okay, because of this is 30 and we are 2 because of the shift, that's become 32 centimeter. Okay, so we can say it should be basically the distance between we can say, because if you see the figure is something like this is the mirror and this is object, this is the slab, 6 centimeter. Okay, and from object the ray is coming to the slab, something like this. Okay, and then it is refracted here. Okay, then it will pass something like this from here and go away like this. Okay, so now basically, so it should be uh, 32 centimeter, less than 32, and it should be greater than we need to subtract 32 and 6 because this is 6. So what is 32 minus 6? That is uh, 32 minus we are getting 30 minus 4, that is 26, and it should be less than 32 centimeter. So that's the answer for the question. Hope this answered the question. Thank you very much.